Ano yung mga preparations nyo, mentally and physically?
The situation na po siguro, like
I
mentally preparing like how the situation's gonna be, preparing my body like everyday workouts.
Yung sinasabi ni JC na iniisip niya nandun na siya sa tournament,
Yes.
doon po pumapasok yung tune-up game.
Kasi po, yung mga workouts, everyday workouts, may sarili po ako like going to gym, skills training, individual training, saka may individual practicing po ako from the club.
As a team naman po, we are preparing, kagaya po ng sabi ni Coach, during practice, as much as possible, we try to execute each play. And as individual naman po, pinapanatili ko po kondisyon yung sarili ko, like more on cardio.
Hanggat maaari, kung may oras po, nakakasingit naman po ng practice. Pag wala po kaming practice kay Coach, may mga outside league din naman po kaming nalaroan. So, doon na din po namin na-convert yung
I see.
additional na
Okay.
practice.
Kailangan yung katawan mo tsaka yung mental health mo talagang kasi alimbawa
Condition.
naglaro ka
Matibay.
sa umaga, tinamaan ka, nasiko ka, natuhod ka.
Oh,
Pagdating ng
pwedeng mangyari
tanghali,
talaga.
Yes.
Pwede mangyari yun. So, kailangan ready ka.